Welcome to our little overview of what a servo is and how you can use it. They come in many different sizes, from big and small, and different powers. A servo is essentially a small geared down motor along with a digital encoder that allows it to measure between typically 180 degrees and 0. However, there are others that are continuous, but they do not have the same sort of accurate measurement. You can simply tell them to turn on and off. Servos are a simple method for allowing small mechanisms that need to move and need to be precise. Now, servos allow for many different forms of movement. For example, you can transform the rotational movement of the servo into linear movement, just like you'd see on those old trains. In our case, we like to use strings and bearings because it allows the servo to pull on something linearly while also rotating, and it's very light and simple. You can see it here lifting our odometry pods. Now, one thing that we do recommend to sort of protect the longevity of these servos, since they are very weak and those little gears inside cannot handle hits and direct abuse very well. We typically soft mount our servos. For example, in our odometry pods, it can handle the abuse of the field, but while not hitting our servo. Or in our claw, hits to our claw that force it to open do not move the servo. And this protects the servo in the long run and saves your team time and money. In the first Java library, simply set hardware and then your servo name and just type in a position typically between 0 and 1, and that will set the position of the servo. And the servo will do the rest and go to that position on its own. Thank you and good luck.